We got our props.
Sam, that's not yours. What are you doing?
Set design.
What's up, guys? It's Rob, and I got my good friend here, Sam Newton. Got a bit of a challenge today. We have to make a product video for the brand new Rampage that's coming out here. What are we looking to do?
Today we're basically teaching Rob how to do YouTube. We're gonna take this board all around San Diego and put together a pretty simple, easy product video. However, the challenge is we only have 2 hours to do this, so we're gonna go scout. Hopefully everything goes right and we can get all the shots, and you guys can check it out at the end and see what you think.
Hell yeah. So an absolute beginner. You can make some cool videos, hopefully with the right teacher. Let's see how this turns out.
So right now we're out in search of the biggest crack in town. Basically what we want is to find a crack that normal skateboarders would have to stop and walk over, but the Rampage can just ride straight through.
Crikey, what do you think of that crack?
It's a big ass crack, mate.
Oh man, I love the big cracks.
All right, so after about a half hour of searching for a little crack in the road, we found our go-to, just big enough so that it stands out, just small enough so I don't eat shit. We're just gonna get a shot of the actual curb itself, and then just really quickly, I'm gonna fly through frame and just go right over it.
So we're at the first shot of the day here. Crack here, camera real close. Sam's about to rip over it. We are rolling. Nice. Sam putting his life on the line here for the shot.
Good. That's what we want. That's exactly what we want.
Can't take you anywhere. What's the shot here, Sam?
The shot is Sam fucking up.
What happened?
This is all dirt, and then it's not right there in that puddle.
I don't know, man. It kind of smells like shit to me.
Ruining the J's, man. Ruining the J's.
I don't care about your shoes. Just don't get it on the board. Damn it.
So, I just stepped in a shit ton of dirt, screwed up my shoes, but that's all right. We live to tell the tale. Essentially, this scene is going to be one of the faster scenes where you see me just flying up a hill here.
Do you think the board will make it on this hill?
I guess we're going to find out, right?
Woo!
We found this sidewalk, and what we're going to do is we're going to take, I don't know if you can see over there. I'm gonna take that roadblock sign, put it right here in the middle of the sidewalk, and then we're gonna ride through the sidewalk, and instead of stopping at the sign, we're gonna ride right through the dirt, right around it, and keep going. We got our props.
Sam, that's not yours. What are you doing?
Set design. Set is ready to go.
Gotta put stuff back where you found it.
It's a public code. Can't walk public, right? Or, you know, what you guys doing are cool. It's cool.
I am from America.
No, you're not.
All right.
That accent.
Where am I from?
Were you born and raised here in America?
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's Australian or New Zealand, something like
Right.
that.
I do get that a lot. I don't blame you for that. All right, so we're back at the office. We left at 12:30. It's now 2:20, so just under 2 hours shooting. Any challenges we ran into today?
We're still teaching Rob how to YouTube and frame here, but we got one guy pretty pissed off. But other than that, the whole idea of today was to show that really it's just all about getting out there and actually filming something and not making excuses, and that you can give yourself a time constraint and still make something incredible. So hopefully Rob's gonna put together something beautiful with this edit. It's simple, it's clean, it makes sense, it's to the point. So we'll see how these 2 hours went, and hopefully you guys approve of Rob's first cinematic edit here.
Thanks so much for Sam coming out, teaching me how to YouTube, how to make a video.
Cali
Please
style.
check him out. He's got some incredible work. I'll put a link to his YouTube in the description. In the meantime, enjoy this sick edit. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, do all the YouTube stuff that you gotta do. We'll see you in the next one.